watch Sly Cooper. I haven't seen the freaking game since I was freaking 19 months.
Come on, you motherfucker.
The back room.
Oh, nice. What game is that?
Sly Cooper.
Oh.
I played this game when I was like 10.
Oh, nice.
Dude, this game was fucking dope at the time. Fuck, I know what it says.
Alright, cool, that stays in there. That's probably to put the M.2. Alright, so I guess we're doing that first? Since I already...
And then we are on that two below here. There should be a third slot somewhere.
Yeah, so that's your first one. So if you're putting your...
M.2.
Yeah.
M.2.
Yeah, so if you want your operating system, it probably needs to go on this one.
Okay. Apparently nowadays it doesn't matter whether you put it on the same M.2 slot. Apparently that doesn't matter anymore.
I mean, logistically speaking, your motherboard's going to go straight to that drive anyway. So it's like, you might as well just pop it.
That's what this one's in there.